Hi everyone, my name is Ankit Poddar and I'm the founder CEO of a company called ZB Technologies. We are an incubator at IIT Madras Research Park. I basically hail from Kolkata and my passion is engineering and technology. I was very lucky to meet Professor Ashok earlier in 2009, which actually motivated me to relocate to Chennai and pursue my passion, pursue my dreams. We are very fortunate that we started a company ZB Technologies here in the campus and with the sole objective of improving the energy scenario for the country. The vision of the company is to save energy and also to meet the climatic goals of the country. We are very happy and we are very excited to share our journey with you all. The company was actually formed in 2015 and that time the name was Swadha Energies. It basically means inherent energy. So today we are called as ZB Technologies. Now ZB is Zero Energy Building, ZEB. So it's very common, Zero Energy Building, and that's what our passion is all about. That's why we renamed the company and today we are called as ZB Technologies. The sole objective of ZB is to save as much of energy as we can. With the introduction of Internet of Things, with more of analytics, with the power of data, we can actually bridge the gap of what the theoretical power is vis-a-vis what practically the machines are consuming. And with that sole objective, the whole mission of ZB Technologies is to reduce the energy consumption in commercial buildings as well as industries. The set of products that ZB has consists of hardware, consists of software, consists of sensors, and consists of a lot of algorithms. When we take it to the customer, what we have been doing in the last few years since inception is basically doing a conventional way of selling. That we sell our hardware and we sell our software at a decent margin. But today the trends are changing. We would want our promises of energy savings to be with the customers forever and not one time. The new business model is something called as software as a service, SaaS. So in that business model, we will be giving our hardware at a decent margin or maybe at cost to cost. But the software, which basically delivers the energy savings, which basically delivers the performance, will be given on year subscription. There are many ways in which we reach out to our clients. Of course, one is we extensively use our IIT Madras alumni network, Professors Connect, Investors Connect to reach out to large builders, real estate agents. Second is we try to partner with OEMs like Blue Star, like Carrier, like Voltas, because they already have the sales team spread across the country. Third is, of course, word of mouth, because we have almost 50 customers across the country now, and happy to say that they are quite satisfied with our performance. So they spread the word of mouth that with their peer colleagues and with their friends that, hey, why don't you use ZB products? So that is also giving us a lot of tractions now. And fourth is, of course, we have a very senior sales team having experience of about 15 to 18 years. So they also come along with a lot of badges. So their networks and their connects is also helping us shape up the business. The biggest hurdle that we face is, will you sustain? Will you exist after 5 years? And that's the biggest question we always have to face, because when someone is giving us an order of, let's say, 10 crore, they'll definitely have these questions and they will definitely want to see that do we have the execution power? Do we have the sustainable model that will company be able to offer services after 5 years? What will happen to ZB? But we are very proud and we feel very happy that yes, we qualify many of the times just because of the technology that we carry. As on date, we are a team of 52, majorly consisting of engineering team. They have been with us for almost 6-7 years from the day we started the company. we have people who actually joined this company as a technician from very remote area, from very remote cities of India, and today they are better than engineers. Our core team consists of energy specialists. Our core team consists of technology specialists in IoT domain. And most importantly, the sales become very important. So one of the core team member is the head of the sales for ZB, is also a veteran from the industry.
Hello, this is Madhupriya. I am working as a senior data analyst in ZB Technologies. I joined here 10 months ago, and it's not even a year, and I could feel that I can achieve a lot here.
Hi, this is Srijit. Have been working in this company for almost 6 years from the inception, from 2015. There are a lot of memories in this company. The best is every day is a surprise, every day is a new task. So that's what I enjoy most in this company.
Hi, I'm Sukanya. I lead the finance team in ZB. I've been in ZB for about 9 months. And in this 9 months, the most interesting project which we've come across is figuring out the subscription model for ZB. Going forward, for all the startups, I think subscription model is the path breaker, and arriving at a pricing for the product will be the most crucial thing for a business.
We have not seen any unicorn in the energy sector. So I'll be very happy and will feel proud if ZB can become the first unicorn in the energy sector. And this market is hot. There's a lot of demand. There's a lot of opportunities. In fact, there are a lot of companies that has come up in the energy domain, but frankly, they are not able to meet their promises. If ZB are able to meet the promises, certainly we will become the first unicorn in the energy sector. I must say that IIT Madras is an ocean of resources, but it's up to us, and it's up to the students or up to the associates of IIT to go and utilize these resources. I'm very happy and I feel very proud to say that yes, we are associated with Incubation Cell, because the kind of supports, the kind of mentorship, the kind of help they have provided is phenomenal. It cannot be expressed in words, it cannot be expressed in a video like this. Whether I say financial support or I say customer supports, legal support, advisory, connects, you name it and they have it. The stage that ZB is at today, it would not have been possible, and please mark it as a quote that it is not possible for a company like ZB to succeed without the support of IIT Madras and without the support of the Incubation Cell.